Hello children, welcome back to our math class. This is class 4 mathematics. So today we are going to discuss about our term 2 book in patterns. Okay, so term 2 patterns. The topic is patterns. So come let's start the class. So now exercise number 3.1. Exercise number 3.1. Let's see some shapes. The square, rectangle, triangle. Clear? Square, rectangle, triangle. The shapes are given. Now you are going to draw a symmetrical line of the shapes, of the given shapes. Okay, so first square. Square, how many symmetrical lines can you draw? So see, the symmetric line 1 and this is a symmetric line 2. You know the symmetric and symmetric line. What does it mean by symmetric and symmetric line? So symmetric line, the lines divide the equal two part of any shapes or object. So that line is called symmetric line. And the object is symmetric object or symmetric shapes. That thing already you know. The symmetric lines means the line divide the two groups, two equal group of the shapes or objects. So in a square, this line is divided two equal parts. So this is symmetric line 1 and this is the second line. So dividing it two equal parts. So 1 and 2 lines. And again you can draw one more line like this. Okay, so 3 and 4. So totally 4 lines. 4 lines. You can draw the symmetric line in a square shape. Okay, let's move to the rectangle shape. Same thing. The first line is divided two equal parts of this rectangle figure. Then draw one more line like this. Okay. So this is the first symmetric line and this is the second symmetric line. Okay. Then third symmetric line and fourth symmetric line. Okay, now let's move to the triangle. See how many symmetric lines can you draw in this triangle? 1. Clear? Sorry. 2. 3. So 3 symmetric lines can you draw in a triangular shape. Okay, now let's see the next one. Okay, now let's see some patterns. So these are some patterns you already learned in term 1. So first step, you want to observe the shapes what they are given in the sums. Shapes or figures like that. So first, listen the shapes. So square, circle, cylinder. Okay, the shape is square, circle and cylinder. So this is the one group of this pattern. So again you want to draw the same group. So this is called the repeater pattern. Okay, this is called repeater pattern. So such a group is given. You want to draw again the same group. Okay, for example, square, circle and cylinder. So again you want to draw the same shapes, the repeater shapes. So first one, square, second one, circle, third one, cylinder shapes. Sorry, it's a cylinder shape. Clear? So this is called repeater pattern. Okay, now let's see the next one. So first, See, shape is triangle and circle. Okay, triangle and circle. See, this is a two triangle. The two small triangle is given. Next one square. This is the first group. This is the first group of the. This is in a pattern. Next, the same two triangle and two square. The first one is repeatedly same and second group is 2. So it's increasing. So this is called increasing pattern. Okay. So first one triangle, the same two triangle is given in the next pattern. So next group and one square. Next one is 2 square. So increasing order. So you want to draw a next picture, the same two triangle and increasing this square. So 3 squares. So this is called increasing pattern. Okay. Let's see the next one. The same thing. The rectangle shape is given, the vertical, and this direction. This is a rotating direction. So again this two groups is repeatedly again form a pattern. Okay, the first the shapes, next this rotating like this, again this formed. So this is also repeated pattern. Okay, this is one group of this pattern. This two shapes is group of this pattern. Again you want to make the same group. So repeatedly group. So you draw a shape like this. Again next pattern you draw like this. So this is a one group of this pattern. This is a one group. This formed again and again. So this is also repeated pattern. Okay, and some more patterns also that see like this. Okay, see the arrow is after. Then go to the side. Then the arrow is downside. This is the rotating patterns. The shapes rotate like anti-clockwise, clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay, the shapes is rotate first clockwise, or some patterns are given is the shapes rotating in the anti-clockwise also. Okay, next the shapes you draw like that. So this is the one group of the pattern. This 4 pictures is one group of this pattern. So again next you draw. So upstairs and sides. Okay. Then downside. The next figure like this. Okay. So these are some basic patterns. Okay children. So that's all children. So thank you for listening.